Oh yeah, David, stretch. You gotta stretch. All right, y'all ready? The motor, tranny. All the steering, and I don't know if we're gonna leave the cradle or just pull the control arms. Brake lines, we can get the kit. We can get the kit for the brake lines, so we'll either compare the what we have here. Can we make the brake lines, or we just get pre-bent ones? But you know, we know what it is to get pre-bent ones. You get them, and then
if I don't put them on, it's because they've already been replaced. You know.
Gotcha. There it is. I'll tell KG we'll pick it up and we'll put it right next to his dually. Yeah. To lay it there on the grass. When we get Sin's frame tore down, we'll take both of them together.
Okay.
Oh, and then Yang said by the 25th he'll have his ready, so we'll do the 3 frames together.
Oh, his crew cab?
His crew cab, yeah. So I guess best thing to do is
I in the middle, someone on the end.
Yeah.
Or you two take that blunt and then I grab it from here and go. Or
probably 2 up front. Probably 2 up front for sure. Oh yeah, David, stretch. You gotta stretch. All right, y'all ready? Okay, hold on. Fix this right here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. I'm gonna go myself. I say it's not bad, is it?
With 3.
Yeah, 2 of us would've.
Me and my buddy Jared, we collapsed the frame in my driveway, 76 coincidentally. We had to turn it sideways to get through a gate.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm fucking hurt my arm that way. You got a good mouse right here, buddy.
Cats are doing their job. Okay. Alright. Ooh, that wasn't bad at all.
Oh, same as but yeah, so me and him, we get it through the gate and we turn it back flat, right? He's slipping, so he does one of those, you know?
Oh, yeah.
But it jerks
Jerk.
on me. Dude, don't do that again.